Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're logged into Cpanel. Now create the database so your app has a target. First, open Databases MySQL Databases and add a new database name. Once created, add a database user and choose a strong password. Use a password manager to avoid reuse. After that, assign the user to the database and grant the required privileges. This step ensures your application can read and write as needed. Make sure the user and database names match what you'll use in your app configuration. Once the database and user exist, gather connection details so your code can connect. Note the host, usually localhost for same server sites or a specific IP/hostname for remote databases, and confirm the port, typically 3306. Then edit your application configuration file and set DB name, DB user, DB password, and DB host exactly as in Cpanel. After saving, test the connection. Use phpMyAdmin to log in with the new user or run a finalize by locking down access and confirming stability. Disable remote access unless needed, enable automatic backups, and store credentials securely. Then reload or clear your application cache so it picks up the new settings, and run a full site test to exercise DB reads and writes. If things go wrong, check logs and the exact error message immediately. Common issues are wrong hostname, port blocked by firewall, missing user privileges, or a typo in config. Correct that item, retest, and you'll be connected.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.